Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Xiaomi Redmi Note7 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While opening the back cover, be gentle, the fingerprint plug connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 3 screws and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the back cover by releasing the adhesive and disconnecting the fingerprint plug. Next, undo the screw and take out the bracket. Next, disconnect the LCD and main flex connectors from the logic board. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, loosen both the adhesive tabs on the bottom, and then gently use your fingers or tweezer to pull out the adhesive strips. If the stick is strong, apply heat to soften the battery, and then use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, take out the battery and clean the surface. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, place a new battery on the body with adhesive. Next, secure the LCD plug and place the bracket by adding the screw. Next, secure the main ribbon connector into the logic board. Next, secure the fingerprint connector and place the tape on the back cover. Next, secure the battery connector and place the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.